Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their MTX audio amplifier correctly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check sensitivity. Identify the input sensitivity range of the MTX TNA251, usually 200 MV to 10V. Step 2. Assess source. Assess your audio source's preout voltage, ensuring it falls within the amplifier's range. Step 3. Adjust settings. Adjust your audio source settings to match the amplifier's input sensitivity for clear sound. Step 4. Connect outputs. Connect the preamp outputs of your audio source to the amplifier's inputs correctly. Step 5. Verify setup. Verify connections and settings for optimal audio performance in your system. With these steps, you should now be able to properly set up your MTX Audio Terminator TNA251 amplifier for the best performance. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other MTX Audio users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.